Getting the Flowmaster Force to catback exhaust system, designed for 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustangs. Mustang GT V8 rear bumper cover. Going to get the Flowmaster.
We got the bumper in the back, lights in the back. Got all this in the trunk back there to steady. On the freaking way, get the stains.
Hello?
The bumper had to be installed before I could get it done. This is on stock the exhaust single pipe. That surprised me that first time I ever had that happen.
Back, Flowmaster. Listen to the X pipe. Thing look good.
After everything was installed, now it's time to hear it.